Initially the system comes with an empty rack, so you don't have anything installed in the bottom. You pay attention to the side. Make sure there's will 3 holder will be used, 1, 2, 3. One is for the bottom spot, one is for reactor holding, one is for stereo holding. During your installation, you have a principle is to make sure this holding with the stereo is horizontal. They are straight with each other. And in your installation, you can install the most bottom one first. Based on the reactor height you required, you fix the position of this one first. But at this moment, you don't need to care about the distance between here. Then come to install the reactor holder. You install this reactor holder at the bottom of your table. So it's outside the holding. You hold here properly first, install the holding. If you want the one area thing strictly, you can pay attention to the logo here. Make sure the logo is strictly each other. Then based on the distance, you make this one to be close to the holding, not too far to lose the balance. This is a proper distance here. Then you hold the reactor without the cap to the holder first. Then adjust the height of this one to make sure this one is stay on the bottom position that you selected. After hold this one strictly, make sure the front was straight. You can adjust the ring to more or less make the circle come to the center of the reactor. Then this one is being on its fully spotted, and the ring is attached with the bottom of the reactor. So when you have a liquid inside, the heavy load is got spotted. At this moment, your reactor was hold on the spot properly. And so when you hold this one, make sure this one is come to attach the bottom, and leave the space for the cap holder to hold the cap. And when the cap was put in, don't forget to install the O-ring first. The reactor got curved as we demo. You can put the O-ring inside the curving and put the cap on the top first. And this holder, if you need your for safety, you can call your friend to come to hold your cap. Adjust this screw for the distance, and make sure the distance is not too high, too tight, and not too loose. That can hold the reactor properly. Pay attention to here. Make sure it's in strict direction to forbid stacking to got any trouble during the installation. Then after area of the reactor is there, you can install your stereo rod. You can also install your stereo rod before you lock the cap. Then when the stereo is will not face to the open problem, so you can put the stereo rod inside the cap before you hold the cap, and make the bottom stereo wing is fully open. At that moment, you can adjust the stereo height and lock here to make the stereo was holding with its properly height distance with the bottom of the reactor. At this moment, our reactor is ready. You can start to install the holder for the stereo and put the stereo hand, and make sure the stereo with the stereo rod is strictly. And then you hold here, hold here properly, and this strictly, and adjust this one top, up and down. Make sure the stereo was reached to the bottom of this stereo holder. Then you lock it with the key that coming with the stereo, and clockwise is for loose, and anti-clockwise is for loose, anti-clockwise is for tie. So then you tie the stereo rod with the stereo Then the installation of the store rod is finished. You can see this one. During your use, you can use the key to make this one rotate with anti-clockwise. Then the thing is locking properly. And make sure when it's rolling, the steel rod is work together with the holder of here. Check the screw here, make sure they are all holding properly.